Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and today we will learn about the easy steps, the way how we can change the iPhone color back to normal. So this is the looks of my iPhones and the spatial conditions. And now we just need to open the settings, and you just need to scrolling down until you got this type of options. Go open your accessibility. In this accessibility, just go click into the vision or focus on the vision box, and then you just need to tap into the display and text size. Now you just need to scroll all the way down until you got the color filters. Just go tap it. Now the thing that you have to do is just go turn off this color filters, but just go tap into this button, and now your phone is already back to the normal color. So you'll see now it's already back to the normal. So basically that is the way, guys, how you can change or get the iPhone color back to normal easily. So if you still have some questions, just drop into the comment sections below, and let's meet again into other tutorial.